Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start Excel 2A simulation training. Select the column C to D and then insert two column in cell C11. Okay. Select the column C to D. I have selected and insert two column. Okay. In cell C11, here is cell C11. Type and then the formula bar, click enter with the C11 home tab, editing fill and flash fill. Okay, here is I am going to flash fill. Okay, insert D11, type OAK and then press. Here is D11, type OAK, press enter. Select the D11 and then press Ctrl plus E to fill the values. D11, Ctrl plus E. I have filled the value. Delete the column B. Now I am going to delete the column B. I have deleted the column B. I have completed the question number 1. Now I am going to move for the next question. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you trouble in any project, just text me through WhatsApp or email. Select the column C on the home tab. Click H1 and then press OK. Select the column C. Select the column C on the home tab. Click cut and click to H1 and then click paste H1 and paste it. Delete the column C from the sheet 1. Delete the column C from the sheet 1. Sorry, I'm going to delete the column C. Select the column A to G and then cell groups, click format and then click auto fit. Okay, now I'm going to A to G, format and auto fit column H. Merge and center the ranges A1 to H1. Now I am going to merge and center the ranges from A1 to H1. A1 to H1, merge and center the ranges. Apply the title cell style to the ranges A1 to H1. Now I am going to apply the title cell style. Here is title cell style. I have applied it. I have completed the question number 2. Now I am going to move for my next question. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you trouble in any project, just text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing whole classes with 100% grades. I am here delivered to quality grades for my all students. Now I am going to solve the question number 3. It's a Excel 2A simulation training. Click on the B4 on the formula tab. Here click on the B4 on the formula tab. Function library, click auto sum. Type A11 and press enter. Okay, here is auto sum and the type range is A11 to A39. Press enter. Okay, with the cell B5 on the formula tab, function library, click more functions, status averages. Now I am going to apply the averages function. D11 to D39. I have completed the question number 4. Now I am going to move for my next question. Click cell B6. Here is B6. Now I am going to apply the formula for the median. To find the median value by selecting the ranges, median. By selecting the ranges D11 to D39. Okay, I have completed the question number 4. Now I am going to move for my next question, that is question number 5. Now I am going to find the value, that is the minimum value Click in cell B7. Formula function point the static scroll on main function. Here is main function. Change the ranges in the number 1 box D11 to D39. Okay, in cell B8, now I'm going to find the highest value, highest price. Now I'm going to find the max function. Up I am going to start a max function. Here is D11 to D39. Okay, select the B4 and then apply the common cell style. Now I am going to select the B4 and then apply the common cell style. Here is B4 and here I am going to apply the common cell style. Here is cell style and here is B4 selected. Here is common cell style. With the B4 selected, collect decrease decimal 2 places. Now I am going to decrease decimal. Here is decrease decimal 2 places. Apply the accounting number formatted to the ranges B5 to B8. Now I am going to select the ranges B4 to B8 and then apply the accounting number format B4 to B5 to B8 and apply the accounting number format. I have completed the question number 5. Now I am going to move for my next question. In the column heading area, select the column E. Okay, on the home tab in the cell group, click the format and then click weight type 5. Okay, format column weight 5. Okay, select the ranges A4 to B8 and then drag move. Okay, select the ranges A4 to B8, A4 to A4 to B8, move it to D4 to E8. Okay, and select the column D to E and then auto fit the selected weight. Now I have auto fit. Select the column D to E. I have selected the column D to E and auto fit column weight. Okay, select the ranges D4 to E8 and then on the home tab in the style groups. Okay, select the ranges D4 to E8. Now I am going to solve the question number 6. Select the ranges D4 to E8 and then on the home tab style group click. Okay, I have selected the ranges. Here is style group and apply 20% at set 1. 20% at set 1. Okay, I have done the question number 6. Now I am going to move for my next question. My next question, question number 7. Today I am going to solve the Exam.xlsx simulation training. If you need the solution of any MATLAB assignment, just text me through WhatsApp or email. I am here to dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. Select the ranges C4 to E8. C4 to C8. And click the format cell. Okay, select the ranges C4 to C8. Right click, selection, click format, element and then select the merge and center. Merge and center. Under the orientation, change the degree value. Now I am going to change the degree value for this text. Under the orientation, change the degrees value to 30 and degree. Okay, now I am going to change the degree for the. Here is the page layout. Now I'm going to change the degree value to 30 I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you trouble in any project, just text me through WhatsApp or email. Now I am going to change the degree value to 30. Here is angular rotation, degree value. Now degree values. Orientation. Click on the alignment tab and then select margins under orientation. Change the degree value to 30. So there is a little error. Okay, select the ranges C4 to C8. Here is format cells and the alignment group. Merge the cell and the degree value to 30. Okay, I have completed. On the home tab in the font group, change the font size to 14. I have changed the font size, that is 14. With the merge range selected, apply the bold and italic bold. Click the font color and arrow and then in the fifth column, font color, fifth column, with the margin size, okay, and then in the fifth column, click the first color. With the merge and set selected, apply the bold and italic, click the font color arrow and then the fifth color. Okay. I filled color there is little sorry. Okay, with the merge range selected, bold, italic and then the font color is first color. Okay, with the merge range selected, apply align right. Here is apply align right. In the row heading area, point to the row 9 and then click to select the row and display the shortcut menu. Click insert and then press 4. Insert a row and then press F4 function to key 2 times. Okay, select the row 9 and 11 on the home tab, editing group, clear and then clear the formats. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you trouble in any project, just text me through WhatsApp or email. You can see here, now I am going to select the row 9 to and you can see here clear formats. Select the row 9 to 11 and then the clear format. I have completed the question number 8. Now I am going to move for my next question. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you trouble in any project, just text me through WhatsApp or email. I am always available here to deliver quality grades for you. In cell A10, type Ocasti and then press enter. Here is A10. Copy the word OK trees. Okay, click in cell B10 on the formula tab in the function library. Click more function to point the statistical function, counting function if the range is okay. Counting function. Okay, in the range box type G14 to G22, G14 to G42, and then in the criteria box type click OK. Change the alignment of the cell B10 to align left. Here is cell B10 and the alignment align left. I have completed the question number 9. Now I am going to move for my next question. In cell H13, type stock level. Now I am going to H13 and then press enter. H13. In cell H14, to formula tab function library, click logical and then click if function. I am going to start a function, if function. Okay, logical test 1 is value if true, order, and then press tab and in the value if false box, okay. Then click OK. Fill the formula H14 to H42. I am going to fill the formula. Okay, I have completed the question number 10. Now I am going to move for my next question. With the ranges H14 to H42 selected on the home tab in the style group, click conditional formatting. Now I am going to solve the step question number 10. With the ranges H14 to H42 on the home tab style group, text that contain the okay, no contain the okay. Now I'm going to insert the conditional formatting. Text that contain In the text that contain dialog box with the inserted point blinking in the first box, type border, and then in the second box click the arrow, click the custom format. On the font tab under the font style group apply bold, click the color arrow, last column, okay, theme color, here is theme color, and then under the theme color in the last column click the first color, click the fill tab and under the background color, here is background color, click OK, background color, click no color, here is no color, and OK. Okay, and under background color click no color and click OK two times. Okay, you can see here there is little error, I think. Now I am going to solve it again. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB mathematics, MATLAB accounting and finance. If you need the solution of any MATLAB project, just text me through WhatsApp or email. Conditional formatting, highlight text that contain order. I already going to do custom format, bold, sorry, here is little bold italic. Okay, okay, okay.